Hey guys, EarnPal here, and we're back with another online money making method that is 100% working as well. The good thing about this method is that not a lot of people are doing it. It's a very low competition market. If you are not familiar with our channel, we at EarnPal upload new and fresh ways to make online money every single day. If you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell, you're gonna receive video updates every single day. And the best thing is, the ways of making money that we upload in these videos are very fresh every time we post them. So you do not want to miss out on any of these. So make sure to go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave a like and a comment because that helps us a lot. We really appreciate the support that you guys have been showing lately, and we want to carry on doing this. We want to keep uploading videos every single day, and we're definitely gonna keep doing that. In this video, we're going to be talking about a process on how to make money online with this fresh way, and we will be looking at this process in a matter of a step-by-step tutorial. So make sure to not miss out any of the steps because that might actually change the outcome of the process and you would end up not making any money out of this. Now, we've tried this method as well. Like all the methods that we post, we always try them first. We see if they're valid. Once we get positive results, we usually post them as a type of video. But these videos grow so fast, so you don't want to miss out. This is why I personally am confident about sharing this video with you, because I know that it will drive some success towards your efforts. We're going to be talking about this app. Octave X's Seed Trader is one of the best apps for online trading. You can buy and sell global assets on Forex, metals, oil, indices, stocks, etc. So the thing that you guys should know is that this quarantine has been tough on so many people, but that opened eyes as well for most of those people to start investing money, because investing money in stocks, for example, or trading online was not something that most people could relate with before. But when money started to get tight, people started looking for better ways to actually make another income, because most people have unfortunately lost their jobs or were not making as much as they were before this whole epidemic stuff started to happen. So this is why we're talking about this app, because it's one of those apps that will let you start trading online. So you can download the app in App Store or Play Store. Once it's done, you open the app and then create the account. You have multiple ways to register: by Apple account, Facebook, or even Google. In our case, we will register using a Google account. It's really easy and fast. Once you register, it will show you the page with multiple assets you can sell or buy. You can press the asset you want to trade with, and you can see a very clear graphic analysis. Also, the market sentiment, depth of market, economic calendar, and so many helpful infos and tools to make your trading experience easy and fun. Not always saying this because most of the ways that we introduce in our videos are usually risk-free, but in this case, everyone should know that trading comes with a bit of risk. So if you don't have that much of a budget, make sure to only start by investing a small amount that will not affect your life whatsoever or in a negative way if you end up losing it, because that's what trading is. Not everyone is an expert in trading, so we will have our fails, so we will have our ups and downs. But in order to start making positive income, to start making revenue from trading, you gotta experience. Because if you look at YouTube videos all day trying to learn or understand trading, you will end up getting some basic information or even starter information, but you will never be a professional without practicing. So that's why we are encouraging everyone in this video to actually invest just a tiny bit, just a tiny amount, to get the feeling of being an investor, to get the feeling of how things work, and hopefully that will grow up into becoming your next revenue or your next income source. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to subscribe again. I'm sorry if I have to say it twice, but really we're trying to grow more and more to reach more people, and that will encourage us to provide even more and more quality videos every single day. So I really wish this was helpful for you. My biggest advice to you is you should get some basic information about trading and then just start with as little of a budget as you can, and I will guarantee you that if you keep persistently trying and practicing trading, you will start noticing patterns that will actually illuminate the way to success for you. We are very confident about everyone's possibility. Persistence is key, guys. In every field, we know that persistence is key to all success. So make sure to also like the video and leave a comment. We really appreciate it, and see you tomorrow.